Index made it. Index made it.
Hello guys, welcome to Britofx. This is a very short video where I try to use one of ICT strategy to show you how it works in real time. I took this trade on the premise of the open high, low and close strategy. If you're familiar with ICT content, you find out that he teaches or he has taught a scenario whereby the market opens and there is a wrong direction or a wrong move of the day to confuse traders. He calls it the Judas swing. Then the market eventually moves to the right direction. That was the logic behind this trade. I'll be sharing it with you in real time so that you see that ICT stuffs work.
My laptop, but I'm managing it on my phone. So there are a couple of things I saw on my laptop that made me anticipate this sell, and it's playing out very well. This is about 40 pips trade and it's playing out very well. It's playing out very well. You can see this is real account, not a demo account. This is a real account, not a demo account. Good. So this is it. Focus on the low hanging fruits.
So guys, I believe you've learned something from this short video. We are still on the Forex trading series. More videos will be coming your ways. The goal is, before the end of this series, somebody who hasn't been introduced to Forex or doesn't know about Forex, an average Joe, would be able to place his trade by himself and know some simple terminologies Forex traders use. Trust me, it's going to worth your time. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you find value. Until next time guys, I wish you good luck and good trading.